Looking for the best budget 3D printers in 2025 that are both affordable and reliable? In this video, we've rounded up the top performing models that offer great value without breaking the bank. Whether you're a beginner or a DIY enthusiast, these 3D printers deliver impressive quality at a low price. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on our list, Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE, an affordable yet powerful 3D printer designed for beginners and hobbyists alike. It offers a smooth printing speed of up to 250 mm per second and precise layer control from 0.1 to 0.35 mm. The hands-free auto-leveling system simplifies setup and ensures consistent print quality. Equipped with a Sprite Direct Drive extruder, it handles a variety of filaments such as Hyper-PLA, PETG, and TPU with ease. The dual Z-axis adds stability for detailed and accurate prints. Its build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm and flexible PI build plate offer versatility for different projects. Features like power loss recovery and a 3.2-inch color knob screen enhance usability. Compatible with Wi-Fi and USB, and supporting popular slicers like Cobra and Creality Print, the Ender 3v3 SE is a solid budget-friendly choice for 2025. Second product on our list, Sovil SV08 Core XY 3D printer. The Sovol SV08 Core XY 3D printer, a budget-friendly machine that doesn't compromise on speed or quality. With a max speed of 700 mm per second, it's built for serious creators who want fast, accurate prints without the high cost. Thanks to its Core XY design, motion is stable and precise. The 300 degrees Celsius clog-free hot end supports a wide range of materials, from PLA and TPU to high-temp filaments like PC and PA. It's also open source, giving tinkerers full control. Setup is simple with auto-leveling, and the spacious 350 by 350 by 345 mm build volume lets users tackle big projects. Plus, the built-in camera adds real-time monitoring, a thoughtful touch for peace of mind. Compatible with both Mac and Windows, and slicers like Cobra or Simplify 3D, the SV08 blends flexibility, speed and reliability, making it a top choice for budget-conscious DIYers and hobbyists. Third product on our list, Anycubic Cobra S1 3D printer. The Anycubic Cobra S1 is a standout budget 3D printer known for its speed and precision. Built on a reliable Core XY stable structure, it ensures consistent and smooth printing, making it perfect for both beginners and hobbyists. One of its best features is the auto-leveling system, which simplifies setup and saves time. The printer boasts an impressive maximum speed of 600 mm per second, allowing quick production without sacrificing quality. It supports a variety of filaments including PLA, TPU, PETG, ABS, ASA, PA and PC, giving users the flexibility to experiment with different materials. The heated bed reaches up to 120 degrees Celsius, enhancing adhesion and print success. With a spacious build volume of 250 by 250 by 250 mm and a precision of plus or minus 0.1 mm, the Anycubic Cobra S1 offers a perfect balance of affordability, performance and versatility for 2025. Fourth product on our list, Trunksymore 2 Pro 3D printer. The Trunksymore 2 Pro, a budget-friendly 3D printer designed for those who want to explore ceramic and clay printing. Its exclusive OSG dual-core guide rail guarantees smooth, stable movements. Plus, the 32-bit silent mainboard keeps noise levels low during operation. This printer supports slicing software like Cobra, Simplify 3D, and Slick 3R, giving users flexible options. It offers a sizable build volume of 255 by 255 by 260 mm, perfect for larger home or hobby projects. The More 2 Pro handles unique materials such as clay, ceramic slurry, and red porcelain. Its adjustable nozzle diameter ranges from 0.5 to 3.0 mm, enabling detailed or broad prints. With printing speeds up to 40 mm per second, it balances quality and efficiency. This folding design also saves space, making it great for small workspaces. For artists and DIY enthusiasts, the Trunksymore 2 Pro offers affordable, reliable ceramic 3D printing. Fifth product on our list, Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo 3D printer. The Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo, a powerful and budget-friendly 3D printer that packs premium features without the high price tag. It's designed for speed, precision, and creativity, making it perfect for makers on a budget. With a lightning-fast maximum print speed of 600 mm per second, the Cobra 3 drastically reduces print time without compromising quality. Its auto-leveling system ensures consistent results, even for beginners. The spacious 250 by 250 by 260 mm build size allows for larger prints, while the 110 degrees Celsius heated bed supports complex materials. It handles PLA, PETG, and TPU filaments with ease, offering flexibility for various projects. Thanks to its 1.75mm filament compatibility and FDM technology, it delivers smooth, accurate prints every time. The Cobra 3 is both user-friendly and efficient. For anyone seeking high performance at a great value, the Anycubic Cobra 3 combo is a standout choice in 2025.